Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 system special from Nissan Qashqai 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, here is box. Let me do the unbox review. Okay, unbox. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay. Okay, you can check there is the harness. This head unit. You see this good condition. Okay, you can check this head unit special for Nissan Qashqai. Back double ring size. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. Okay, you can check this special for Nissan Qashqai. This is canvas box Nissan. Okay, this canvas decoder box. This is radio antenna. You can check this radio antenna. Okay, and this connector. Okay, and this connector. Okay, and this connector. Okay, there is 3 connector. Okay, this is a harness. It's plug and play. The head unit comes with external microphone, GPS antenna. It's original USB, factory USB. Okay, this is two USB and the external microphone. Okay, and the camera input. It's AUX. AUX input. Okay, this you can check the audio combo, video input, RCA type, video input. Okay, this AUX input. Okay, this audio combo. This video out 1 and video out 2. Subwoofer. This video out front and rear, left and right. Output. Okay. Let me introduce the head unit. Okay, this is drum agent. Okay, you can check this head unit. And the right side, this dash kit. Okay, dash kit. Okay, you can check this left dash kit. It's right, doubled in size. Please take out this two screw before install. Okay, you can check back this radio antenna, connector, Wi-Fi antenna, GPS, power ports, fuse. Okay. Okay, let me power on with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit started. You can check this mute button, it's microphone, DVD player, and home button is button, SD card slot, volume, power, is the knob. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay. You can check this 8-inch IPS touch screen. Fast response. Now we check settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Okay, and check the system. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0. Overall system. Okay, back button. Okay, you can change this element button color, red, gray, blue, orange, yellow. You can adjust this panel with any color. Okay. You can install application from USB. You can install from USB. Okay, there is a mirror link from mirror link. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It's built in Google Maps and the Play Store. You can install any application from Play Store. Okay, that's all. Thank you.